Hey everybody, this is Cody with Lifetime Commercial Roofing coming with another Tech Tuesday video. Today we're in Waxahachie, Texas at University Assembly of God. They've called us out to identify some major roof leaks they've been having, some long-term issues. So we're going to show you how we go about finding leaks. Okay, so first thing that we do is we get a map of the facility from the office, make a copy of it that we can mark up. So if you take a look, you'll be able to see that I've already walked the building and made marks where all the leaks are coming through. And so that gives us a good indication when we go up on the roof where to look, kind of the process of elimination. Take a little more scientific approach to leak detection. Of course, I have my notebook too, my handy dandy notebook, that I can mark down the severity of the leaks, the location, and any other newsworthy items. So in addition to the notes and the map, I go through and I photo document all the leaks, you know, the stained ceiling tiles and stains on the walls, so we can go back and put a quality report together for our customer. So we step outside and we have a look at the way the building is built and the pitches of the roof, and kind of develop a plan of attack based on the difficulty of this roof structure. So as you can see, way up by the steeple, it's really steep, it's really tall, and we can't really get a ladder up there right now. So my friend Heiko over there is flying his drone to get some close-ups of the affected areas and see if we can identify without having to put ourselves in danger. Now on the lower slope stuff and the stuff that we can reach with the ladder, we'll absolutely get up there and diagnose with our eyes and our hands. But where we can't reach, that's where the drone comes in handy. Okay, so we've completed our inspection, and most of it I can't show you on video because it's way up on the roof and it's hard to get a camera up there. So nonetheless, we'll start here on this lower roof where the ridge cap is. There's foam closure strips that are missing, and the wind is blowing up under the ridge cap and coming in behind the panels. And there's also screws that have bad gaskets. The screws are backed out a little bit, they're letting water in. So we're gonna go through and put new closure strips and replace the bad screws. Same thing up on that sanctuary area, similar situation. I want you to look at the collector boxes on that corner of the stucco wall over there. Each one of those scuppers where it shoots through the wall needs to be sealed up. The sealant's cracked out. Some of them are not sealed at all. See the round hole in the wall? That needs to have a hood over it to prevent water from blowing back in through there, and that's the same on the other side of the building. Up on the curved part of the roof over there below the steeple, they have an EPDM rubber roof, and that's going to get a good cleaning and a silicone coating to breathe new life into those roof surfaces. That'll make them last a whole lot longer and keep water out of that area. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. That wraps us up. There's not much else to talk about, so big thanks to University Assembly of God for letting us put this video up and being one of our favorite customers. So have an awesome day.